Welcome back on into Fox 43 AM Live. I'm joined now by Dr. Leslie Weaver with the KSU College of Veterinary Medicine. Dr. Weaver, good morning. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Good morning. Thank you guys for having me. I'm happy to be here.
Very happy to have you. Wanted to go ahead and ask, what is your role at the K-State College of Veterinary Medicine?
Sure. So at the College of Veterinary Medicine, I am a part of the livestock department. And so I do mostly clinical work, working with students in the clinic, seeing patients. I am a little bit unique in the fact that I get to go outside of the clinic and do ambulatory work. So I work out of my truck, as well as working in the hospital and getting to see patients in a more kind of intensive care type situation.
Wow. How long have you been with the college?
I've been with the college going on 4 years now.
Very cool.
So, yeah.
Congrats. 4 years. That's awesome. Yeah. Well, we're here talking today about the birthing center. Wanted to ask, how long has the birthing center been a main attraction at the state fair?
Yes, the birthing center has been around since 1994.
Oh, wow.
So we're coming up on 30 years. And
no kidding.
Yeah, we've had it at the Kansas State Fair every year except for 2020 and 2021, of course. But it's a really exciting event. We have some wonderful partners that let us use their animals, and it tends to draw a lot of people, so it's really popular.
Well, very cool. Well, how far in advance each year do you start planning for something like this?
We start in March, usually.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So it's 6 to 8 months in advance. And so we do breed a lot of animals specifically for the birthing center so that they will kind of have their babies at the correct time.
Oh, wow.
So for the sheep, we start breeding them in April. That is not the normal breeding season for sheep, so we have to kind of do some things to get them to cycle and want to breed in that time frame. The pigs we breed in May, so we start working on getting them set up. We do that through the Kansas State University swine unit.
Oh, wow.
So they do a lot of that work for us. They're really wonderful to work with. So yeah, it starts planning way back in the spring, and then of course as we get closer, planning gets more intense, but yeah, it's a long time.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you mentioned some animals there, but what animals will be at the birthing center for this year, 2023?
Yeah, so like usual, we have dairy cows. So we have 2 breeds of dairy cows, Jerseys and Holsteins. And those come from local dairies in Hutchinson, Kansas, and they're really wonderful. We have 2 pigs, so 2 sows that come from the Kansas State unit, swine unit. And we have sheep this year. We almost didn't have sheep, so like I said earlier, April is not the normal time to breed sheep, and the ones that we actually set up to breed didn't breed, and so until the day before the fair started, we didn't know we were going to have sheep, and somebody stepped up, Elder Livestock out of Westmoreland, and they normally lamb at this time of year, and they had a ton of lambs that were going, and so we've had a plethora of sheep come through now, which has been just really joyful.
Well, very cool. Well, for those you know, that won't be able to be there, is there a way for the public to still see the birthing center activities if they are not actually attending in person by chance?
Yeah, absolutely. So if they can't be there, of course the fair runs until the end of this weekend, but if you can't go, you can follow us on our Facebook page, Kansas State University College of Veterinary Medicine, and there we post updates every morning on everything that happened overnight. We do various updates and live streams throughout the day, and lots of posts of cute babies.
Love to see it. Oh, you know, we're such big fans of baby animals here on the show, so we're definitely going to have to go give that a follow here. Well, are there any other additional education opportunities outside of those live animals?
Yeah, so when things are not actively giving birth, there are lots of other activities to do. We have a life-size model of a horse. It's one that we actually use in the vet school for teaching. It's been beautifully painted with anatomy, so you can look at her and then practice bandaging equine limbs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we have a life-size model of a cow. We call her Bessie, and she has a little calf in her, and the kids can practice palpating a calf so they can see what it feels like when we are palpating to try and feel if they're birthing or not. And then we have a whole host of games that the kids can play. We have coloring pages and coloring books. And then we have kind of a mock veterinary clinic where they can take out a stuffed animal and do a physical exam. There's an x-ray box where they can look at different x-rays. And then we have a microscope telescope where they can look at actual veterinary slides.
No kidding. Sounds like a blast, to say the least. Sounds like a very good time there going on.
It is fun. There's a lot to do and a lot to see. I think you can roll through multiple times and do something different every time.
Well, for those at home that are looking for more information, you already mentioned it, but where can they, look up to find all this information and potentially visit you?
Yeah, so you can find everything online at the Kansas State Fair's website. You can just Google Kansas State Fair Birthing Center. Again, you can also follow our Facebook page, Kansas State University College of Veterinary Medicine, and we also tag the Kansas State Fair's Facebook page. So if you just follow them, you'll get all of our updates as well.
Perfect. Well, Dr. Weaver, thank you so much again for joining us this morning. Have a great rest of your weekend ahead. Sounds like it'll be a fun time.
I know. I can't wait to welcome more babies.
Yes, for both of us here on the morning show. We're excited for you as well.
Yes, thanks.
Well, coming up, we're joined by Aaron